taught you primary memory. Today I will teach you secondary memory. They are classified into two types: fixed devices, removable devices. Fixed devices. Firstly, we will discuss about what is secondary memory. You know that processor memory, also known as primary, is expensive as well as limited. The faster primary are also volatile. We need to store large amount of data or programs permanently. We need a cheaper and permanent memory, such as memory is called secondary memory. Here we will discuss secondary memory devices that can be used to store large amount of data, audio, video and multimedia files. फिक्स डिवाइसेस भी क्या हैं? दो टाइप्स के: हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव, सीडीडी डीवीडी ड्राइव. फर्स्ट, हार्ड डिस्क drive. What is hard disk drive? Hard disk is made up of a series of circular disk called plotter, arranged one over the other almost half inches apart around. In spindle, data is stored by magnetizing or demagnetizing the magnetic coating are called hard disk. What is CD? CD stand for compact disc, are circular disc that used optical rays, usually laser, to read and write data. They are portable as you can eject the drive, remove the CD and carry it with you. There are three types of CDs: CD-ROM, CD recordable, CD rewritable. Okay. What is DVD? DVD stand for digital video display. DVD are optical devices that can store 15 minutes the data by CDs. They are usually used to store rich multimedia files and need high store capacity. DVDs also come in three varieties: read only, recordable and rewritable. नेक्स्ट, रिमूवेबल डिस्क. रिमूवेबल डिस्क क्या होती है? जिसके अंदर से हम कोई भी डाटा क्या कर सकते हैं, उसके अंदर हम कोई भी ऑल्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं. जैसे पेन ड्राइव, अगर हमें उसके अंदर कोई भी एडिशन करना है या सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, कोई भी डाटा हटाना है या न्यू ऐड करना है, वो हम इसमें कर सकते हैं. व्हाट इज़ पेन ड्राइव? पेन ड्राइव इज़ ए पोर्टेबल मेमोरी डिवाइस दैट यूजेस सॉलिड स्टेट मेमोरी rather than magnetic field or lasers to record data are called pen drive. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is an optical storage media used to store high definition video and other multimedia fields are called Blu-ray disc. Thank you and have a nice day.